On the third day of the parliament, BJP claims that Rahul Gandhi was catnapping inside the Lok Sabha while the discussion on price rise was underway. Shahnawaz Hussain has in fact tweeted saying that Rahul Gandhi was seen sleeping in parliament during a debate on price rise. He says that's what the Congress was doing during their 10-year rule. Nandita is on the phone line for us. Is this Rahul Gandhi causing embarrassment once again to the Congress party, Nandita?
Well, on record, the Congress has come out in defense, of course, of their Vice President. And what Abhishek Manu Singhvi says is that it's not factually correct to say that he was sleeping. But even if he did doze off, he said that one shouldn't indulge in sensationalism. So, yes, a certain amount of embarrassment as far as the Congress is concerned. But clearly at a time when the Parliament session has started on an extremely politically volatile note, the opposition not wanting to let go of incidents like this also, where when Rahul Gandhi today during the price rise discussion seems to have dozed off for a few seconds, Shahnawaz Hussain, spokesperson of the BJP, was quick enough to hit out at Rahul, who seems to have clearly become the favorite whipping boy of the opposition.
Well, we're looking at those pictures, a big yawn followed by a light snooze there, Nandita. But the point is that the Congress is raising the issue of price rise across the country. On the one hand, they're seen holding protests across the country. On the other hand, their vice president is caught sleeping inside the parliament when the issue is being spoken about.
Well, yes, and that's exactly the point that the opposition is also making, that it's a serious issue. You all are raising an issue, a big hue and cry about it. In fact, the Congress, when the session started, was the first to put a notice asking for an adjournment motion on the issue of price rise, and it was only after several discussions took place and negotiations took place between the Speaker and the opposition that they decided to agree to a discussion under Rule 193, which is a simple sort of short duration discussion.